The village of Mbazi in the south of Rwanda. The hillsides used to be teeming with life, but most of the 30,000 people here fled last year to escape the war. Consciencia, Jean-Baptiste, and their 8 children are among the first to return to the village. They spent weeks in a refugee camp. Now they're starting from scratch. Consciencia and Jean-Baptiste are Hutu, the ethnic majority in Rwanda. But during the genocide, the militia accused them of having Tutsi blood in their veins. They were forced to flee, with hundreds of thousands of others. Santiago Atitlan. The Sutuil Indians call this place Rukux Ruhileu, the heart of the world. Perhaps that's because ancient traditions are still so strong in this village. Maybe it's also because Santiago Atitlan is the sanctuary of Mashimon. In order to protect their culture from the onslaught of the Spanish conquest, the Sutuils kept their old Mayan gods disguised as Christian saints. Mashimon is the protector of tradition. With his vices and virtues, he is a god on a human scale. My name is Siri Sendashonga. I am a biologist working for the United Nations. I arrived in Montreal in September '98, after the death of Seth Sendashonga, my husband. Seth was killed because he knew too much about the current abuse of power in Rwanda. Because it was a political murder, my 3 children and I were taken to Montreal to protect us. Seth is dead. He was murdered. And I want to find out who murdered him.